digestive system is the process of breaking down food into nutrients that are used for our bodies. These nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. The proteins, carbohydrates, fats must be broken down into smaller molecules to be absorbed. The vitamins, minerals, and water can be absorbed naturally. Once these minerals are absorbed, then they can be used for energy, growth, repair, and other vital bodily functions. Now we're going to tell you the process of food transporting from your mouth to the toilet and how the nutrients are broken down in your body. It first starts off by putting food in your mouth. This could be pizza, a sandwich, or even a donut. Next, mechanical digestion occurs by chewing the food using your teeth. While chewing, saliva that contains ptyalin enzymes breaks down these carbohydrates into sugar. Once food is chewed up into a bolus, it goes through the pharynx. Then the epiglottis closes to allow food to go down the esophagus. Peristalsis waves of rhythmic muscular contractions occur to move food down the esophagus. Food is pushed down to the stomach from the esophagus, while chyme, which is the name for food in the stomach, is stored in the stomach. Cells in the stomach walls release gastric acids and enzymes to break down chyme into a liquid-like substance. Chemical digestion occurs during this process. From there, food moves down to the first part of the small intestine, the duodenum. Bile produced by liver and stored in gallbladder is secreted into the duodenum to chemically break down food from large to small molecules and eliminate waste products in the blood. The fats are broken down by the bile into fatty acids and glycerol. Along with that, pancreatic juices are secreted into the duodenum. These juices contain enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Amylase enzymes break down complex starches into simple sugars. Trypsin enzymes break down proteins into amino acids. And lipases break down fats into fatty acids and glycerol. The nutrients in the food are chemically broken down into smaller molecules and then are absorbed into the bloodstream. The leftover liquid, like waste, travels through the jejunum and ileum by peristalsis, then enters the large intestine. The large intestine function is to absorb water and bacteria to make vitamins from the waste. The waste starts traveling up the ascending cecum, across transverse cecum, down the descending cecum, and through the sigmoid. All the water is absorbed from the waste and it turns into stool. The stool then moves to the rectum for storage until ready to be evacuated through the anus, which results in your waste being in the toilet. And that's how the digestive system works.